Hey everyone, a quick question. Have you ever seen a drone do this?
Hi, I'm LiteWing, the ESP32 drone that flies and talks.
Oh, whoa, whoa. The wind's too strong. I can't hold this position. Oh, whoa, whoa. The wind's too strong. I can't hold this position. Follow the traffic rules. Wear the helmet. Follow the traffic rules. Wear the helmet.
In this video, I will show you how we transform a LiteWing drone into a simple aerial announcement system with just using a Bluetooth speaker. And it is all done without writing a single line of code. LiteWing is not just a flying drone. It's a programmable ESP32 based drone designed to do experiment with multiple ideas and upgrades. One such idea was to explore the communication, which led us to integrate Bluetooth speaker system into aerial announcements. Okay, let's move on to the hardware and connection part. For this project, we should consider the payload limitations of our drone, so that we used a few components that are lightweight and can perfectly fit under our drone. To set up a simple Bluetooth speaker under our drone, we just need 4 components that are light in weight. Let me start with the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module we have used here is the JDY62, which collects audio signal from any Bluetooth devices and then transfer low-level audio signal to an amplifier. The amplifier we have used here is the PALM 8403, which amplifies this low audio signals to drive the speaker. The speaker we have used here is a 2-watt 8-ohm speaker, and the operating voltage of Bluetooth module and the amplifier is stable 5 voltage. To operate the Bluetooth module and the PALM amplifier, we need a stable 5 voltage supply. Since our drone only supplies 3.7 voltage, we need a boost converter that converts this 3.7 voltage into 5 voltage to the Bluetooth module and the amplifier. So this is our setup we made in our drone to make announcements. After making the hardware setup, you can now connect the drone to your mobile phone. Just turn on the drone and the Bluetooth module turns on. And you can see that our Bluetooth module is popped up and connected to our mobile phone.
Hi, I'm LiteWing, the ESP32 drone that flies and talks.
Okay, after completing the hardware setup and testing the drone, it's time to take it outside and test it in the real world conditions.
Oh, whoa, whoa. The wind's too strong. I can't hold this position.
Despite the noise outside, the audio quality of the drone was surprisingly good. This shows how a simple hardware addition can change a basic drone into a smart aerial communication system. If you want the detailed tutorial of this project, the link is available on the description. If you enjoy this project, subscribe to the channel for more LiteWing experiments and upgrades.